Understanding Foreseeable Future, a guide to English phrasing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've probably heard a lot but might not fully grasp its depth: foreseeable future. This phrase is not just common in everyday conversation but also pops up in news articles, business plans, and even casual discussions about plans and expectations. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. The phrase, foreseeable future, refers to a period of time in which one can reasonably predict or expect what is going to happen, based on current knowledge or trends. It's important to note that the foreseeable future is not a precise length of time. It could mean a few weeks, months, or even years, depending on the context in which it's used. The key aspect here is the ability to foresee or predict outcomes based on what we know right now. To better understand foreseeable future, let's break it down. Foreseeable. This part comes from the verb foresee, which means to predict or know in advance. When something is foreseeable, it means it can be seen or known about before it happens. Future. This refers to the time or a period of time that is to come after the present. When combined, these two words create a phrase that essentially means a time coming next that one can predict or expect based on current conditions or knowledge. Now that we know what foreseeable future means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. Due to the current economic conditions, we do not foresee any major changes in our policy for the foreseeable future. She plans to continue living in Paris for the foreseeable future. Given the recent trends, remote work will likely remain a common practice for the foreseeable future. Notice how the phrase adjusts its timeframe based on the context, whether it's about policy, personal plans, or work trends. A common mistake learners might make is using foreseeable future to refer to a very specific or short-term time frame without acknowledging the broader context or trends that inform the prediction. Remember, this phrase suggests a period that, while not indefinite, extends beyond the immediate moment and is based on current understanding. And that's a wrap on foreseeable future. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this phrase correctly in your own discussions and writings. The English language is filled with nuanced phrases like this, and mastering them can truly elevate your fluency. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of English with you in the foreseeable future. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.